Thank you. Maneuverability is a hands down the best thing to have here in Southern California. Yeah, dude, it is my favorite thing to have. If I didn't have the ability to maneuver through traffic the way I do, I don't think I'd go to a lot of places. I honestly don't think I'd go out as much. Meow, meow. You are the things you sent to me. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. What was the point of that, right? I know, right? Like, why is she so... what is she doing? Look, that guy's gonna go for it. If you're apologizing, you know you should have probably waited.